Hello, today we are going to solve one question from IIT JAM Biotechnology 2019. As we know that JAM is one of the most important examination in India for those students who want to join IITs to pursue their master degree courses. So this is the question number 20. So let's see what is in this question. Which one of the following statements is a correct description of modes of action of Taxol and colchicine? Whether it is Taxol causes DNA damage and colchicine prevent microtubule formation, or Taxol stabilizes microtubules and colchicine inhibits protein synthesis, or Taxol destabilizes microtubules and colchicine promotes microtubule formation, or Taxol stabilizes microtubules and colchicine prevents microtubule formation. Paclitaxel, or which is known as PTX, sold under the brand name Taxol among others. And this is a chemotherapy medication used to treat a number of type of cancer. Chemotherapy medication used to treat a number of types of cancer. Okay, this includes ovarian cancer, breast cancer, lung cancer, Kaposi sarcoma, cervical cancer, and pancreatic cancer. Okay, and it is given by injection, into a vein. This is also an albumin bound formation. Albumin bound formation. Common side effects include hair loss, bone marrow suppression, numbness, allergic reactions, muscle pains, and diarrhea. Other serious side effects include heart problem, increased risk of infection and lung inflammation. These are concerns that use during pregnancy may cause birth defects. Paclitaxel is in the taxane family of medication, and it works by interference with the normal function of microtubule during cell division. Normal function of microtubule during cell division. Okay. Now colchicine has multiple mechanism of actions that affects that affects has multiple mechanism on inflammatory processes and results in its utility inflammatory processes and results in its utility for treating and preventing acute gout flare. For treating and preventing acute gout flare. Other chronic inflammatory diseases that invoke these molecular pathways may represent new therapeutic applications of colchicine. Okay, therefore the right answer for this question is option D. That Taxol stabilizes microtubules and colchicine prevent molecular microtubule formation. Okay. So we have successfully solved this question, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.